Okay, my name is Larry Bernstein at Proseer, and we're here to talk about how Sage Intacct can be used for a custom home builder and walk through some of the details. Some of the requirements that we're looking at are set up vendors. Yep, we can do that for sure. Create custom fields on a vendor record to track things like licenses, insurance, expirations, etc. Yeah, a virtually unlimited number of custom fields can be created, like the date of a certificate of insurance expires. And these custom fields can be added to different records, like a vendor record. And then we can create smart rules to enforce certain things from happening in the system, like preventing a vendor record to be saved without a valid certificate of insurance date or a tax ID number, for example, or preventing an AP bill from being paid without having a current certificate of insurance date. Enter a purchase order. Yep, we can do that. Route a PO for review and approval. Yes, we can do that. And there are a number of different ways we can do approvals, whether it's a dollar value approval or many tiers of dollar value approvals, or a specific user or group of users need to approve. And we'll include some documentation about the details and options there. Enter a bill. Yes, we can do that. Mark a bill as billable to bill back to a client. Yes, we can do that. Match a bill to a purchase order. Yep, we can match a vendor invoice to a purchase order, and then we even can handle partial or full conversion of that purchase order to vendor invoices. Route a bill for approval. Yep, that's the same thing or very similar to purchase order approvals. Pay bills via ACH. So there are a few options for payments. We can pay bills, directly with our bank. We can use the built-in payment solution from CSI Payments inside of Intacct, or we can use a third-party payer, which will integrate like Bill.com or many others. Mark bills as paid if they're paid by a manual check, Amex or other. Yes, we can do that. View a report of open purchase orders by client or project. Yep, we can do that. We can run a report by project, and we could probably come up with custom reporting by client if that's necessary. View a report of unbilled billable expenses. Yes, we can definitely take a look at all the unbilled expenses associated with a project. Create an invoice for clients of the unbilled billable expenses. Yes, we can do that. Create cost codes for jobs. Yep, we can create a cost code library that can be used across all jobs, or certain subsets of those codes can be applied to jobs. Enter budgets at the P&L for the company as a whole and report on it. Absolutely. Budgets are set up by month, but for most of the construction projects, you'll probably want to do an inception to date budget and enter in 1 month and report like that. Enter budgets at the project level for a specific project. Absolutely, we can do that. Print variance reports. Yeah, we can use dashboards to take a look at reports like this, and we can also print them out to Excel or to PDF, etc. Understand data flow to and from points of origin. Yep, all data throughout the system is trackable with incredible amounts of user permissioning available. So you have a lot of control in the system. And on 18, understanding if there are hard stops. Yeah, there definitely can be warnings, which would be called soft stops, or hard stops, which are errors that we can build in with smart rules throughout the system. Okay, so that's it for requirements. Over the next 10 videos, which is about 19 minutes, 20 minutes or so, we'll walk through some of these points on screen.